Welcome back, Melissa here, and you might hear Hunter. He's with me. He just surprised me. Hi! When we left to come out here, he acted like he wanted to come. So we head off the sidewalk and go to the back gate of the fence to head out the trail. And he wanted to go towards his dad's truck. I said, we're walking the dog. So he chose to stay. Did you come to surprise me? Nice surprise. Yeah. Happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there. Whether you're a mom or not, but all the women have the potential to be the greatest influence, motherly influence to children today. I believe that has always been the case. I am so thankful for my mom and my grandma and all the women in my life that have influenced me to stand on a firm foundation, stand strong, be a hard worker, be honest, and be your best. And the good thing about that is tomorrow you can try again. So I just am thankful for all the women out there that have the potential to be the best mom in history. I got this pin. This says greatest mom in history. I believe we all have the potential to be one of the greatest moms in history. So I'm going to wear that today with the idea that I can do that. I want to show you some video of walking the dogs. It was fun. I said I'm always going to add some trail walks, and this week was fun. They didn't catch up in time, so I hid behind a bush. I'm going to put that in right now and you can check it out. You didn't know where I was. So funny. I hid down in this bush, in these jaggers, and I hid and they couldn't find me. So funny. It's just the little things in life. There's Piper ruin up ahead. It's been raining on and off all day. It's 42, 44 degrees, but it feels colder than that. It's just a overcast, cloudy day with very little sun, and there's some wind and it's cold. But I'm going to show you the trails and how everything is thickening up. Leaves, look at that. Most all the trees have leaves coming on, and then the brush and all the brush is growing up, the bushes, and there's grass, and then there's Piper. Way to go, Rue. Camera view. So I'm pretty excited, and our last two videos are doing really well. Check them out. But thanks to everyone that's come over from Outdoors with the Morgans, or any new subscribers. Welcome. We really appreciate the support. I hope you're enjoying them. I'm just doing some video to put together. 2 weeks ago, Hunter and I worked on a special project. So I want to put that video clip in because let me tell you, Hunter and I spent a lot of time. I wrote some handwritten notes, and we had of individual treats. These protein cookies, Nutri-Grain bars, nature trail bars, so all those things. And we taped. Hunter was so great at helping tape each thank you note to each little individual snack, and we put it in a box and we shipped it off to a friend of ours that's doing this project, and that goes to all the doctors and nurses and support staff. So we were happy to have that opportunity, and I want to show you the video footage of Hunter and I doing that. Yes, very good. So you're gonna hold it so they can see it. This isn't working. Sure. Help tape all these thank you notes to each bag of snacks or each bar. There's protein bars, granola bars. There's over 100 individual little snacks that the doctors and nurses and know that we appreciate all that they do. And that is on their job, but also, you know, being away from their families and being worried in this time of the unknown of this pandemic. So we really appreciate it. So son Levi works at Fedex, and he's going to ship this package to Love for the Helpers. That's the project that Hunter and I worked on, sending thank you and snacks to the doctors, nurses, and all the support staff. Mike Morgan on Outdoors with the Morgans did the big tractor reveal, the partnership with Kubota. So check it out if you haven't. Go to Outdoors with the Morgans. Check out the most recent video. Well, it might be the one before the most recent video. It was Friday night. It was fun. We did a premiere, so we were able to type and talk to a lot of the viewers that were on, and it was fun. I had suggested to Mike to share the video reveal of the new tractors with a knock-knock joke. So I tried typing that in. The minute the reveal started at 6 o'clock was knock-knock. There was a few people that said, "Who's there?" I said, "Orange." And you're supposed to say orange too. And my answer was going to be, "Aren't you going to tell them what color the tractors are?" And orange, get it? Orange fruit. They're orange. Okay, so check that out if you have time, or if you have already seen it. It's great that you come over to Morgan's Off the Leash and check out our videos. We also have, Hunter and I, when it comes to, we also have some big news coming up. We have a puppy. Yeah, we're getting a puppy this week, so look forward to seeing a video from Morgan's Off the Leash Saturday or Sunday coming up of our new puppy. And I'm pretty sure we have the name picked out, and the breeder, she puts a color on each puppy to identify them of their weight, their skills, what they're learning, and then she keeps detailed records on that. Would be a particular color of puppy, and we'll share that, or the particular color on the puppy. So we'll share that with you, of the big reveal of the puppy's name and which color. I really do appreciate you watching, commenting, subscribing, liking the videos. It's great. Hunter loves to be a part of it and loves all the support. And then I'm just showing you a different view, a different camera view of Outdoors with the Morgans here on Morgan's Off the Leash. We do a lot of outdoor things, walking the trails with the dogs, some baking and cooking videos here and there. It's just been fun, so I hope you're enjoying it. If you haven't already, please subscribe, click the thumbs up, comment down below. We'd love to hear from you, and share them with your friends. Okay, we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.